What is deconstruction? What exactly does the term deconstruction mean? On this episode of How to Heathen, we will dive into the transformative journey of personal deconstruction within Norse Paganism. This concept invites you to engage in profound self-examination, challenge limiting beliefs, and reevaluate spiritual narratives that shape your understanding of the path you walk. By integrating personal experience and fostering emotional healing, you can cultivate the richer, more authentic connection to your spirituality. Join us as we explore these powerful themes that can empower you on your journey. Because this is How to Heathen. Self-examination. Self-examination is a courageous journey inward, where you peel back the layers of your identity to uncover the roots of your beliefs. It's an invitation to confront your past. It's whispers of influence from family, society, and culture that have shaped your worldview. By honestly assessing these influences, you can distinguish between what resonates with your true self and what merely has been imposed upon you. This process requires vulnerability, as it may reveal uncomfortable truths, but is essential for authentic growth. Imagine a person raised in a strict religious environment. Through self-examination, they begin to recognize that many of their fears about spirituality stem from these early experiences rather than personal conviction. This revelation empowers them to take a path that feels more authentic and liberating. Challenging limiting beliefs. Challenging limiting beliefs, it is like breaking the chains that bind your spirit. These beliefs often masquerade as truths, convincing you that you are unworthy, incapable, or destined to follow a predetermined path. By courageously questioning these narratives, you can reclaim your power and redefine what is possible for yourself. This transformative process can unlock hidden potential, allowing you to step into a life that aligns with your deepest desires and values. Consider someone who has always believed they're not worthy of love or respect due to past failures. Through the process of challenging this limiting belief, they start to recognize their intrinsic worth and potential as a human being. With this newfound awareness, they embrace their identity, learning to honor and love themselves as they would to a cherished friend. One of the things that I always say to myself and others, mind the way that you talk to yourself. If someone that you knew talked to you the way that you talk to you, would you still be their friend? Reevaluating spiritual narratives. Reevaluating spiritual narratives means taking a magnifying glass to the stories that shape your beliefs, critically examining their relevance and meaning in your life. It is a quest to uncover the essence behind ancient tales and myths, stripping away layers of dogma and bias that may have clouded their true significance. By engaging deeply with these narratives, you create space for new interpretations that resonate with your experiences, fostering a personal connection to the spiritual path you choose to walk. Picture an individual raised on tales of gods and heroes that seem distant and irrelevant. Upon reevaluation, they discover that these stories mirror their own struggles and triumphs, offering wisdom and guidance for their modern life. By reframing these narratives through a personal lens, they find strength and inspiration in the sagas of the past, enriching their spiritual practice. And if you're looking for inspiration on your journey of personal transformation, the modern HAVAMAL offers powerful contemporary poetry rooted in the ancient wisdom of Odin. It's a perfect companion for anyone seeking guidance, strength, and deeper connection to the Norse path. To get your copy today and let these timeless words fuel your growth, that link is in the description. Integrating personal experiences. Integrating personal experiences into your spiritual journey allows you to weave the tapestry of your life with threads of wisdom and insight from both your past and your spiritual beliefs. This synthesis transforms your practice from just a series of rituals into a living, breathing expression of who you are. As you honor your unique experiences, both joyful and painful, you cultivate a rich spiritual landscape that resonates deeply within your soul. Perfect example, imagine someone who has faced significant challenges, such as a loss or addiction, just like myself, and initially views these experiences as obstacles. By integrating these trials into their Norse pagan practice, they start to see them as essential chapters in their story, each providing a lesson that enhances their understanding of resilience and healing. This integration fosters a deep sense of purpose and connection to their spirituality. Emotional and psychological healing. Emotional and psychological healing is a powerful aspect of personal deconstruction, as it enables you to confront the wounds that hinder your spiritual journey. This healing process involves facing the shadows of trauma and pain, allowing yourself to grieve and release what no longer serves you. Through this transformative journey, you reclaim your inner strength and resilience, paving the way for a healthier mindset and a more profound connection to your spirituality. Consider an individual haunted by past trauma who feels disconnected from their spiritual self. By engaging in the healing process, they confront their pain, allowing themselves to feel and process it rather than burying it. As they work through these emotions, they discover a newfound clarity and peace, enabling them to embrace their path as a modern Norse pagan with renewed vigor and authenticity. These deeper explorations of personal deconstruction illustrate the transformative journey many individuals embark on as they seek to align their beliefs and practices within their true selves, within the framework of the Norse pagan spiritual path. As we conclude our exploration of personal deconstruction in Norse paganism, remember that this journey is not just about breaking down old beliefs, but about building new, authentic spiritual practice that resonates with who you truly are. Embracing self-examination, challenging your limiting beliefs, and integrating your experiences can lead to profound growth and healing. And if you have found value in this episode, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts, and smash that subscribe button to join our community. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your path. And until next time, stay fucking savage.